So welcome back, guys. So in this question we asked to factorize 25 x squared minus 10x plus 1 minus 36 y squared. So you might encounter this question in your WAS or GCO level, or maybe in your A-level exams, and as well as your university exams, most especially your calculus class. So let's find a way to factorize this. 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square, as well as you can write one square is same as 1. So we're going to manipulate this minus 10x here. So let's try to solve this. Let's say 5 square x squared. Square root of 25 is 5, so it's a perfect square. So we'll find a way to express this. The two factors of 10, you can say is, you can write 10 times 1 or minus or 2 times 5. So we can write minus 2 times 5 gives us 10. 2 times 5, then write x plus 1 minus 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So this is now 6 square y square. So here we can factorize the square out. 5x, put it in bracket, square is out. So we have here now minus 2 times, let's write again this, 2 times 5x plus 1, and then minus 6y, square this one out. So what we're going to do here, this is already in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square or whatever. So we going to, so let's get from this formula, from a minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here our a is 5x. Remember, this is our 2ab. Our a, 2ab. Our a is 5x. This is our a, and our b is 1. So a minus b square, our formula, our a here is 5x and our b is equals to 1. So we're going to consider this side of this expression, 5x squared minus 2 times 5x plus 1. We leave this one out first, minus 6y squared. We want to factorize this. So we have here a equals 5x and our b equals 1. So if we apply this formula, we have here 5x, a is 5x minus 1 all square. Then write we are done with this. We factorize this side, so we have minus 6 y squared, square outside. So here we're going to write again. Write again. So you can expand this, or you can also try to use the method of difference of two squares to factorize this. The formula for difference of two squares, we say a square from a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, and then a minus b. So this is our a, which is 5x minus 1, and our b is 6y. So we apply this, our a, 5x minus 1, plus b, that is plus 6y. This is the first part of the formula, a minus b. Our a is 5x minus 1 minus 6y, which is our b, minus 6y. So this is how we go about solving this question. So you can rearrange this 6y by bringing it closer to this, or you can leave it this way. So this is how we go about solving this question. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.